Hello everyone. Today I am going to demonstrate an activity to show the rectilinear propagation of light. We already know the fact that light always travels in a straight line. But here we will come across some of the phenomena of the light which will show that how reflection leads to scattering of the light with some tiny particles which I will be using as the sugar molecules and other the colloidal solutions. Materials required are, I have been using two beakers filled with water. One is a plain water and one in this beaker I have already mixed a sugar to make this a sugar solution, a laser beam of light which will be a source of light. So what I am trying to show is that when I am shining this laser light across these two water solutions, although this is plain water, then we can see from this container which is filled with sugar solution, we can see the path of the light. Although it is very faint, but still we can configure that this is the path through which the light is moving, and this is almost a straight line. Okay, so let's make it more significant. I will be using more doping element, which is a sugar again, to mix the impurity, and after stirring it well, all the sugar molecule will disperse itself, it will distribute itself in this water, and now you can see the most prominent path of the light in this solution, although it is not visible through this, right? So this is known as Tyndall effect. So now here what actually is happening is that all the sugar molecules which has got distributed itself all around the water molecules, these sugar molecules are actually reflecting the light in all the possible directions. That is, here then scattering of the light will come into the phenomenon, and due to scattering of the light all the sugar molecule is glowing, and one sugar molecule is following the same pattern. It is, if we take just a single particle of the sugar, then it is actually scattering the light in all the directions, and the same pattern is followed by all the molecules which is aligning in this straight path of this laser light. So all the particles, the molecules of the sugar is radiating, glowing in red in color, because the scattering and the radiation is red in color. Okay, so this phenomenon which makes the light of the propagation of the light along a straight path most significant and prominent, it is known as Tyndall effect, and this phenomenon occurs due to scattering of the light. We can also take this solution as a colloidal solution, and in order to make this a colloid, I am going to mix few drops of milk into it, and let's see what happens. Stir it well. Now again I am going to shine the laser beam across it, and here we have the most focused direction, the path of the light through which the light is propagating, and this is almost a straight line. It is clearly visible through this sugar solution, right? So this path of the light is illuminated by the true solution, which is a mixture of sugar and water, and this effect is known as Tyndall effect, and it is happening due to scattering of the light.